Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Nimble CRM with MFA for prospecting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Nimble CRM with multi-factor authentication, start by logging into your Nimble CRM account. Enter your username and password on the login page. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the security settings option within your account settings. Click on the security settings to open the MFA configuration. Select the option to enable multi-factor authentication. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred MFA method. Common options include using an authenticator app or receiving a code via SMS. If you choose an authenticator app, download one, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, on your mobile device. Open the authenticator app and follow the instructions to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on your Nimble CRM screen with the authenticator app. Once the account is added, the app will generate a verification code. Return to your Nimble CRM account and enter the verification code from the app. If you prefer receiving codes via SMS, enter your mobile number and request a code. You will receive a verification code via text message. Enter the SMS verification code on your Nimble CRM login screen. After successfully entering the code, MFA will be activated. You will now need to use the chosen MFA method every time you log in to Nimble CRM. This additional layer of security will help protect your account during prospecting. You have now successfully set up multi-factor authentication for your Nimble CRM account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.